morning, guys. We're wrapping up today, this week, at 240 Live Oak Road in Newport, North Carolina. Good morning, Trisha.
Good morning, Catherine. What a beautiful day to do our Friday wrap-up.
It is a gorgeous day, and we just really wanted you guys to see these expansive views of the Intercoastal Waterway from this home. We're on the upper deck right now that is directly off the master bedroom suite, but the lower deck right below it has the same great views.
Yes, it does. And the ground floor, I mean, everyone is always looking for more storage. The ground floor has a laundry area, a half bath, a kitchenette, and tons of storage.
Well, that's perfect for entertaining.
Not to mention, this house has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It has been completely redone from top to bottom with very high-end finishes. I mean, it's just a must-to-see. It also has what everyone loves is the plantation shutters.
Oh, absolutely, and they cost mint because I'm looking right now. So yes, everything has been top notch.
It is. It is all top shelf. It really is. And you've got plenty of room, plenty of storage. It's a great location, this neighborhood. And you're not real close together. You're just shy of a half acre. I think it's 0.37. And so you have plenty of room, and it's just really, really nice.
It is nice. And what I like is these big porches, and down below, when you pull in, it's a covered carport. So there's plenty of room to put your boats. In fact, they have 2 down there right now. And then there's plenty of room still to entertain. If you wanted to play cornhole or cook out, or when you get off the boat, you've got the half bath and the washer dryer right there just to walk on in.
And the kitchenette.
Exactly.
It's just every detail was thought of.
It was.
And
it's a great
nice
space to entertain.
Right? Oh yeah.
Great space.
So you're
to
not
entertain.
coming back up. You know, it's just very well thought out when they redid everything.
It is, and it's a superb location, guys. Even though we're down Highway 24, we're just past Canonsgate, which is about the midway mark when you look at Moorhead and Emerald Isle kind of on a map. So we're about 13-14 minutes from Walmart in Moorhead City, and virtually about the same distance from Emerald Isle. So you're right smack dab in the middle, so if you need to go to Moorhead for something or run to the beach.
Yeah, if you have
best
friends,
of both worlds.
Yeah, if you have friends at Emerald Isle, Swansboro, Stella, Hubert, any of that area, or if you have them in Moorhead on the beach, I mean, it's just an ideal location.
It is, and what we've been told, this neighborhood does not have a water access, but there is a marina that everyone drops into about 3 miles down the road, and, you know, ready for you to go boating.
Exactly. And, of course, you know, to make sure everything stays uniform and everything, they do have a homeowners association, but it's only $100 a year.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so it's just everything at your fingertips. Right.
So we would really like for you guys to come out and see 240 Live Oak Road in Newport, North Carolina, and see this gem before it gets gone, because it is the only house that I've seen on this street for sale and in this neighborhood, and it is a definite must-see.
Thanks for being with us this week, and we look forward to being with you next week. Have a great weekend.
Have a great week, guys.